Hi, this is Lakhan. We are going to learn today about motion and rest. Motion, as we all know, what is motion? As we know, motion is something that always change, or which change with the time with respect to the surrounding. If your object, if your object is in motion, it will change its place with respect to its time. What do you mean? Means, just see. What is motion? As I am just writing here. If your object or a body, if your object change its place, change its with respect and its surrounding. What did we got from this? Object is in means it will change time or with the surrounding. Suppose a okay, this time after some time it will come to this. This car is at this place. Means before 3 seconds this car was this place. After 3 or 4 seconds this car come to that place. Means it is changing the place with the time. If your object its place with the time or with respect to the time with its surrounding, or the car is there before 5 seconds, but after the 5 seconds it travels some distance. Means it takes 10 from here to there. This is called motion. What about the rest? Rest Rest means if your body rest, if a body, if your body object does not change its place, change its place with respect to time, surrounding and surrounding, means object at rest. For example, you have already seen your home is far away from your school, but have you seen your school come after 5 years or after 3 years? Your school house near your house will go near your school? Never. Means it will never be changed. It is situated somewhere, it will be, means let's suppose your school is there and your home is there, it will always be there. It will never, means after 2 years, after 3 years, this home or this school will not come to your home, or your home will not come to the near your school. It will remain there. It will remain there for a long time. This is the rest. And what about next? We are going to learn types of motion. Types of motion. Rectilinear motion. First, rectilinear. Did you find? Means if your object is moving in a straight line, if your object particular anything which are moving in a straight line, means if I am just showing this or this, it will go to the straight one, then we can say the object is going in a rectilinear motion. So have you ever seen, or I think you have already experienced about this, whenever you place the carom, when you strike the, it will always go in the straight way, it will never go zigzag or in the curved line. Have you ever failed or experienced, I think, है ना? So what does it mean? If your body is in a straight line, going through the straight line, means this is in rectilinear motion or linear motion, we can say. Curvilinear motion, curvilinear means if a object or a body is going like this, means curved line, है ना? Any curved line, if your body is moving in a curved line, then we can say that the object is in curvilinear motion. Have you ever seen the bees or the any other thing, birds are flying in a straight line, है ना? So these are the things. First, rectilinear motion. Second thing is curvilinear motion. Next, rotatory motion. Next is rotatory motion. If a object or if a object or if a body moving in a moving with a fixed axis, है ना? With a fixed axis, it is moving or rotating. This motion is known as rotatory motion. As for example, we can say the fans. If you feel fan is always at the axis and moving the blade of the fan, है ना? Next, circular motion. Circular motion, if your body is moving in a circular path, if your body is moving in a circular path, we can say that the object is in circular motion. I think you have already experienced about the if you goes to the fair, you will see some toys are there which are going through the this way, means in the circular way. Train toys, or may somewhere you seen in the park or somewhere the train like this moving in a circular way. That we call circular motion. That's we call circular motion. One another thing is oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion, have you seen the pendulum watch? It goes from, just see, it is in mean position, it will go to there, and then from there it will come here, then it will go coming but going, coming and going, coming and going. It will repeat itself. It will repeat itself on the same way. That is known as oscillatory motion. That is known as oscillatory motion. That is known as oscillatory motion. Next is what? Periodic motion. Periodic motion, you know, the earth moving around the sun. It takes 365 days to complete one revolution. What we said? A year take 300, means sun, around the sun, a earth moving in a 365 days to complete its one revolution. This is known as periodic motion. Means if your body repeats itself after equal interval of time, means from 1 January to the another next January, next 1st January, it will take 365 days to come again. So it take regular interval. of time to repeat itself. If your body repeats itself after equal interval of time, then we can say that it is a periodic motion. This is a called periodic motion. Or what about the non-periodic motion? Non-periodic motion, if your body does not repeat itself after equal interval of time, that is known as non-periodic motion. What we so call it? Non-periodic. Non-periodic motion. What do we say? Non-periodic. Have you seen the birds flying here and there, bees going from here to there? They have no fixed area or no fixed circulation circle to move there. So it can go anywhere. If it does not repeat itself after equal interval of time, means this is known as non-periodic motion. Another thing is these are the things about the motion. Thank you. Have a nice day.